Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share the Blobby application with your friends in the app itself. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it. And here in this page you can just scroll down a little bit and you will find there the share with friends option. You can just press on it. And you can basically just share the application in these apps down below, and you can of course just share with your friends, because if you share it in Messenger for example, you can just share with any of your friends there. The same is true with Facebook, but there you share in the newsfeed for example. So anyway, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.